Democracy Hub demonstration course be 2 days ago at the same bebrea but my name say one videos ni bia enhwe bimra let's talk GH rumors. And then the first time I will show me a message say over subscribe and your mama na fi wa click on notification bell on so say the be me uploading new video be on sa ebetimi aka. Now we say democracy hub demonstration a course so no basa kakra eba between the protesters and the police. Be ye nsem bebre che say wo share videos na utimi hu say police won ania brepa preventing the protesters from crossing their barricade. So the protesters and also preventing police from say almost to be bomb side it. Acquire trima mentry part as a wish videos need to say yes and near me course one and giddy pa. You may be a course so ever a cry. If your videos need be every way bantano as you buy me back.
Don't allow anybody to enter. Who are fighting?
No, he's run away. He hasn't really turned it off. He's turned it off. He's turned the engine off. Well, just as you can see, one of the protesters right now is being arrested by the police for a bit of misconduct here. So just as you can see, sort of resisting arrest right here.
No, you will never allow this. You will never allow this. Look. Go.
He's getting a bit
Well, it's very, very chaotic right now. A lot of things happening around. A lot of things happening at once right here at the 37 roundabout. A lot of things happening. The car is being towed over there too. Just as you can see, I'm zooming in right now from there.
I say go. Let's go. Take it away.
Mamufo ni bia ni abre na me de ade ba kwa ye me nwanwa pa ye video bi of yes guy ya onu few days ago ye nyina be ka bi mani yes Ralph St Williams yes say omo cross ye road ni leading to 37 military hospital no and at mamufo yi bi be ka say wrong some be protesters mu be block sa route no because why your hospital emergency bi ba you better ni akwa ne say na Ghana for saving because the phone mu ana.
So listen at the box. People are dying. What do you want? What are you doing? What are you making?
Someone claiming to protect my Ghana. wo pie wa no ka asem ni ebusenze so ani. During the protest, no, a lot of arrests so now arrest no, arrest a 62-year-old woman or a 10-year-old grandchild.
Ebusia ye nim said your my Ghana ye inflation rate is here unemployment in nyoma ema Ghana mu ye den pa ne santi by Ghana say the ebema sa o ha we nyina to abrase ene say ye be promote nyema ye wo Ghana ha me kira ye di no ye be ye hye ye be ye eno ebe amo my Ghana akonenim asa ye importation was so ne santi ye de sika ni nyina e de che amai foforo ti by Ghana say dwuma bia wudi adwumakuo bia wo ye no obeye video 2 to 3 minutes wo share numbers na wo screen so na fa send ye obetimi so afreye na woni ye dinkita ho ye beba ye be promote your business ni for free ye nje 10 pesos kra. That's because ye pese ye hwe so ye promote made in Ghana said e be ya o my Ghana e be fa ne tumapa e de efra na me stress say mo amwo amai foforo mu na mo ye Ghana fo no mo so so mo be hwe say wonua bi ton ade wo local marketer wo be promote said e be ya e be boa na o my Ghana etimi afa ne tumapa efra da bi unsa ho oto obi foforo dia waye unya ne die na say ye Ghana nyoma no to say ye den no to say wo ye Ghana ninti buano ne yenhwe say o my Ghana be koni na by Ghana TV ye streaming live e wo YouTube ye wo Facebook ye wo X a Facebook ko piem e wo Google Play Store ho a ye wo ho a obetima download na woni ye edi nkita hodie. By Ghana TV, patronize made in Ghana products with pride. By Ghana TV, promoting made in Ghana goods and services for economic prosperity.
Arrested for no more galamsey. 62 years, 10 years arrested for no more galamsey. Not that we committed a crime, not that we beat anybody, but we said no more galamsey. Let it go wild. Let it spread. Let everyone.
Yes, 2-year-old woman, ye one in nana no nebusia ye share no na eye mami wa ba be kasa or call it out say eye rights near protecting krano eye agency am protecting krano momra na mo me kasa because eye wrong go say ye be chi abofra ye hwemra.
This cannot be our reality.
No.
Yeah. I am calling on all child advocacy groups, both domestic and international, the UNICEF, Save the Children, World Vision, and every organization that claims to stand for the rights and protection of children. Where are you now? We need your voices, your power, and your intervention. This is not just a Ghanaian problem.
Yes.
It is a violation of every principle we hold dear as a human family.
Yes.
Our children deserve to be protected, not prosecuted. Our children deserve to be nurtured, not criminalized. To the government and the Ghana Police Service, how do you explain this?
Said your mommy no okanu no say you wrong say be chia bofre bia na ye kwa ye bisa say na protest die nkai ne akora na nya de na mommy no onye obi amfa ne nana ninja na cause on say bibi say no ntokwa betimi asi wo ho na wo de akoye man no ebe ko sa te bia ni me gidi say and she them try ye, but police wants so much alcohol is very traumatized. Aha, let's talk GH rumors. So, the first time I'll share me and I'll subscribe to Mama Nafi. What click your notification bell on the society there. Any video be out bound, sabit me aka. Danny then you know, more like na mo share na made them as papa, cause mubwa me panya me on sham mo. Any update be free hoba. Me the baba be so mubiting edna nekia santoa.
In Ghana, she's an adopted child, no proper parents. She comes from Polygon. Why? What has she done? 10-year-old girl. Why? They couldn't bring me social services. the police